It is a beautiful morning, and I hope you are having a great start to your day. This is Tam Tam Dooley, and thank you for choosing the B Town Breakfast right here on your favorite radio station, BCR FM. Namusha, I just want to remind you to protect your dream until it is ready for the world. You know, when we reflect on nature, we find the greatest lessons in the natural process of life. Ngako ngifuna sibuke indzaba yesikhukhukati nangalendlela siyawafukamela ngayo emacanza aso. Isikhukhukati siyawafukamela emacanza to give them warmth and allow them to grow. That is also you with your dreams. You need to give your dreams that process of growth and be patient in giving your dream warmth by putting in that necessary work and effort to allow it to grow. Siphinze ke isikhukhukati sifukamele to protect them from anything that may cause them harm. You need to protect your fragile dream until it is the right time to announce it, because sending messages of birth of something before it's actually being born invites all kinds of energies to tamper with what is still to become. That is why even Nemfati makakhulelwe uyatshelwa ukuthi keep that pregnancy sacred until such a time where that baby is fully developed to withstand the energies that it may absorb. So let us not get carried away, especially by these social media streets, and be so hungry for relevance and validation that we announce our dreams and visions prematurely. Fundza kufukamela liphupho lakho. Kutawufika sikhatsi lesifanele to introduce it to the world, because at times that silence means that you are giving yourself that room for trial and error without expectations. You allow yourself to make sense of that dream, to make sense of that vision, without any interference and different opinions. So trust that that vision is placed in your heart because you are capable. Because at times we seek that validation because we don't think we are capable enough. Ganzi, the fact that that dream belongs to you means that you need to put in the necessary work to make it come true. And that is all the validation that you need. Because at times, utifagela trap by announcing your dreams prematurely, you are placing hurdles where they are not necessary. Ganzi mawulifukamela lelo phupho, you are granting yourself an opportunity for stability, and through that stillness, you are giving yourself and the dream enough time for growth. So let us learn to protect the things that we want to grow, the things that we find sacred, and let us understand ukuthi nature allows the opportunity for us ukuthi sitifukamele tintfo tetfu, sitifukamele by protecting them, sitifukamele by ensuring that we are patient enough to wait for the right time for our things to grow, for our things to manifest. Ngako njengesikhukhukati, fukamela emaphupho akho. Have a great Saturday ahead, and I hope you are going to have a productive week.
Yes, we're going to have a productive week. Masasifuka mele maphupho ethu kutova right Town breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping bit of ekasi la melibidong in Prince Valley. Ngena ku #change your thoughts change your mind. Tam angikwamukela la msakatweni kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani Prince?
Ngiyaphila la. Yathi ngithandza lenzaba yesikhukhukade kuthi la sifukumela amacanza aso uthi wena mina la ngifuna kuthi inhlamba nje. Uthi ngingakhozi i-miscarriage ngingendi i-abortion angithule lo mntwana aze avele kumbe aze aqale akhike sisibonakala. So makwathi mina ukuthi ngikhulelwe for 3 months 2 months 2 weeks angithule ngisedu.
Yes. Just ngivele kuyashiwo ukuthi lesikhathi leso kubalekile ukuthi singasho lutho to protect what is growing.
Manje phela mina ngithanda ama likes la, you know, le validation lo ishoko wena mase ngithole nje bo 100 likes, so that's why ngifuna abantu bangibone, because I think that's the motivation lesha le. So bantu mabangangiboni ndo motivate yini la, because uyambona wonke umuntu uyaposta ngithanda lamajala atsukuma bakubone mngami uyayibona lento le. So maso uthi ngiprotect ngidobona kanjani ndo motivate yini.
Yeah, but now that is the difference between a dream that makes it and one that gets shattered prematurely. Esikhathini listening siyakesibona bathakathi nalaba ngekho khona, just because we are so quick to announce things, we haven't yet made sense of them. They have not matured to the point of them becoming something. So lawo likes lawo uthole ukuthi wena you're self-sabotaging yourself because you're so in a rush for validation and you actually not working on that dream of yours to actually become something tangible.
Okay, kumqoka ngani ukuthi ngihide ngoba jwayelele into yokuthi mina umlomo uyadala uma into ngiloyikhuluma kutofana nokuthi ngiyayidala emhlabeni la and mhlambe abantu bato wathi ukuthi ngisebenzela atukwane uyabona abantu abato release music ne movie ukuthi okay something is coming nginenda nani be prepared why ufuna bese ngiyayifihla lento le because mangitoyikhuluma ngendeke ito manifesteke.
Njengoba nifanisile ke nesikhukhukati lamacanza sekakhona.
Okay,
you are just protecting them to allow them to hatch.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
You are protecting lo multimlomo yadala lenvo seyidaliwe. Wena ufugamela because you need to give it that time of protection for it to become mature enough for you to announce. Angeke wena usabhala ingoma, for example, because you are giving that example. Usacabanga ukubhala ingoma so ngicabanga ukubhala ingoma. Yabona, most of the time you start announcing ukuthi something is coming maso uyile studio uvile na uthi kuhlangane njani. You understand ukuthi level seyikhona. Wena you are just giving it that protection for it to grow and be tangible.
Kahle ukuthi wena ngifihla induku emcubeni la not ukuthi ngakha induku bese ngiyifihla emcubeni umuntu angasabona ngaba nenkinga musla.
It's actually, I think wisdom njengoba ngisho lehlukanisa tinvo letendeka netinvo letingenteki.
Okay.
Asifunzeni man kufukamela tinvo tethu.
Lesibonelo sakho semacanza sengijabulisa ngento leyi-1 ngikhumbula ngibukela God Must Be Crazy. Ostrich awaboni macanza ayo ukuthi umuntu angaveta lelicanza leli uyabona ukuthi hey so ungisukele ke lapho vele ngiyokukhomba idream yami ngiyiprotecte ngalenye indlela kahle so kunalento yokuthi banokuthatha ama gift ebantu shothi sisuke sivetile kahle ufuna sivete end product ngilento loyishoko not masaya yakhe ufuna sivete end product sayiphelele.
Yes, give yourself time to work on whatever it is that you want to achieve. Angeke wena uthathe i-idea and put it out there. Fana nalama institutional people that let's say can help you fund. They don't fund ideas, they fund businesses. It means ukuthi wena so investile kulento so iqalile so uyayibona ukuthi function kanjani. Only then you can ask for a financial assistance. But you don't come with the idea and say, yeah, hey, I have a great idea, we can do this. That's where most of the time you find ukuthi mundathi yeah, but that was my idea, they stole it.
Okay.
You are mishandling something that could have been precious in your hands, but you did not take that time ukuthi ufugamele lelo phupho, that idea, to allow it to grow into something that is going to be tangible.
Nguve kahle mina uthi wena kuze sifike sicede kahle lo 9 months kufuna singa announce lutho ngoba ngaphuma ne miscarriage. Siyabonga kakhulu Sitabombana ngalokutako.
Thank you.